JCID iPad 9 Backlight FPC. Operation video. Find the position of the iPad backlight flex cable. Remove the sticker. Then remove the small metal shield. Remove the backlight metal plate along the indicated area in the video with a polishing pen. After polishing, you can see the backlight flex cable is broken. Due to the short design of the backlight flex cable, it remains under constant tension. Even a minor drop can easily cause the flex cable to break. The area marked in red is where the flex cable is most likely to break in. Cut along the broken section of the flex cable. Before installation, scrape the contact pads clean. Take out the JCID iPad 9 backlight flex cable. Flip it to the back side. Fold the flex cable along the dotted line. Then place the JCID iPad 9 backlight flex cable into position on the iPad for easier soldering. Apply solder flux and tin the pads. Align and solder the flex cable into position. Apply UV adhesive and cure it with a UV light. Then reattach the removed backlight metal plate. Reinstall the metal shield. The iPad 9 backlight flex cable replacement is complete.